Package dimensions: 0.13 L by 7.62 H by 5.08 W centimeters. Package weight: 1 ounce. Country of origin: United States. Part number: 110016. Top reviews from the United States. Great for cleaning. I got this as a cleaning tool. Gave it 5 stars in all categories because I am sure it works well for what it was meant to do. I have used to clean my glass oven top and scrape off food from my cast iron skillet. It doesn't scratch the glass or damage my cast iron. I intend to clean the inside of my oven with it, but have found other uses for it, such as removing difficult sticker labels from items. On the advice from other reviewers, I bought 2 because many wrote the sticker label to this item is difficult. So far it has removed many other difficult stickers.